Namaste students, in this video we are going to see exercise 13.3 question number 3. A 20-meter depth well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the ducking is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Okay, from the well we are going to take some sand, and by using that sand we are going to form a platform. Clear children? So the well is in the shape of cylinder and platform will be in the shape of a cuboid. Clear? So the height of this well is 20 meter and the diameter is 7 meter and the length is 22 meter and breadth is 14 meter. So you have to find the height of the platform, that is h. Height of the cuboid you have to find. Now see the problem children. So now compare which one we have to compare, well and the platform. Volume of well is equal to volume of platform. So well is in the shape of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of platform in the shape of cuboid. So volume of cuboid. First write the formula. Pi r square h is equal to cuboid L into V into h. You have to find the height of the platform, that is height of the cuboid. So for the remaining things you have to substitute. The radius of the cylinder, the radius diameter is 7 centimeter, so the radius is 7 by 2 centimeter, and the height of the cylinder, that is the height of the well, is 20 centimeter, and the length of the cuboid, the length of the platform is 22 meter and breadth is 14 meter. So everything in meter only, not centimeter children. Okay, so now substitute in the formula and find the value of height. Then pi we can write 22 by 7 because we can't cancel with the right hand side. We don't have pi there. Okay, so substitute the value 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20 is equal to 22 into 14 into height. Okay, so if you can cancel anything here, you can cancel it. 7 ones are 7 ones are, 2 ones are 2 11s are, 2 ones are 2 10s are, and remaining things write as it is, that 11 into 7 into 1 into 10, 22 into 14 into h. So we have to find the value of h. So remaining things you have to shift to the left hand side denominator. So 11 into 7 into 1 into 10 divided by 22 into 14. 22 into 14. 11 ones are, 11 twos are, 7 ones are, 7 twos are, and then 2 ones are, 2 fives are. Okay, so the answer is 5 by 2 is equal to h. So if we divide, you will get 2.5 meter. So the height of the platform, height of the platform is 2.5 meter. Clear children? Thank you.